Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, hey everybody, it is Tom here, and I am excited because guess what? Thanks to you guys, we hit 500 subscribers last week, right before the Christmas break, so that is awesome. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. I appreciate my old subscribers and the new ones that have jumped on board. I hope you have enjoyed the channel so far. Channel is growing thanks to you guys, and try to keep the content interesting. As you can see, I'm standing next to the Boyer Schultz. The restoration and refurbish is going pretty well. She's coming together. I've already got 2 more videos to post. I've gotten a lot of work done on her, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, the video is not about that. It's about rewarding you guys. So the 500 sub giveaway is going to be, da-da-da, drum roll. I have got 2 awesome charts for you guys, or should I say 1 lucky winner, or even a gal. So what I've got here is a reproduction of the old Cleveland twist drill decimal equivalent chart. Hopefully the light is showing it well and it's not blowing it out. And also got for you guys, it's a 2-package deal, a tap drill size and percentage of threads. So this is also a reproduction of an old chart. And what's nice about this one is, if you want to run 75%, what your normal thread would be, or if you want to do less or more, you can look at your chart and not have to go to like the Machinery's Handbook and bing bang boom. Now, what's nice about these charts are they are printed on heavy stock, and also it is laminated on the front. So if you get dirt, grime, oil, cool mist or coolant or anything splashed on it, all you need is a little Windex cleaner up and you're good to go. You can't do that with those old charts that are made of basically cardboard that deteriorate. And what's also nice about these 2 charts for the lucky winner is the size. So it's not a huge chart, so that makes it good for you guys that are in small shops, or you just don't have the wall space like I don't because of the way the building is shaped. So you usually can find a good place to stick these babies. So this is what's getting shipped out to the lucky winner. So let me tell you about the contest rules. So the contest starts as soon as this video is posted, and it is going to run till Monday, January 7th. Till around 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. So when Miss Hilltop comes home, I'm going to have her come in front of the camera, and you can see my lovely wife, and she is going to do the draw for us. So how do you become eligible? So first off, you got to be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that red banner down there and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It's totally free. And if you do that, now you're a subscriber, then all you got to do is leave a comment down below in this video. Just say, hey Tom, I want to be entered in the contest. Put my name in the hat. Heck yeah, I want to win one, whatever the case may be. As long as you comment, then you will be entered in the draw. And I will ship this to anywhere in the world. I am not going to limit it to just the United States, because I don't think that's fair to not support my viewers and subscribers in Australia, UK, Canada, and Hawaii, Alaska, wherever you are. So I will pick up the shipping bill for these set of charts. So hit that subscribe button, leave the comments, and next week we'll have a draw and somebody's going to be the lucky winner. Thanks guys. See you later.